Hello and welcome to another episode of MK2 Golf Stories. Today we're going to be playing with valves. Well, we're just going to lap this valve in, get it in the engine, and then we can look at hopefully getting some parts and putting the engine back on the 1.6 Old Smoky GTD. So without further ado, let's get to it. Why do you lap valves in?
Sorry?
Why do you lap valves? What's the reason behind it?
So they fit, tight fit?
Yeah, so it gets rid of any crud and muck on the valve, doesn't it? It might look clean, but it might not be clean. It might have grit on it.
I cleaned it.
So, how do we put? Do you put paste on here or on the valve?
Either way, you put it on there or you put it in your valve. Not too much.
Put the paste on the valve.
So
Pop it into its seat in the engine. Get this doohickey.
wipe that off, that loose stuff off there first.
Thank you. Wipe off the loose stuff. This is valve grinding paste, by the way.
It gets greasy, it gets grease off that compound.
There we go. You can hear that grinding sound. I mean, it's the grinding compound is doing its job. It's making it smoother. When that stops, it should be nice and smooth. You've got to go both ways on it, back and forth, otherwise you just create like a groove channel for gases to escape through. Sounding smoother already. Don't put any pressure on it, just back and forth. Sounds miles better. Do you need to take the valve out once you've done this?
Clean it.
So remove the valve.
Wipe that dirty cloth.
Give it a wipe on this filthy cloth, which my dad tells me is clean, so I'll believe him. Right, give it this wipe as well.
Yeah.
Grinding paste.
Inside that crack and all.
Out of the valve, off the valve seat.
You get inside it. Put a drop of oil on the stem.
Okay. On here?
Not on, drop it over there.
We must do it over.
On your shoes. It'll squirt out, but you don't care. Like that. I'll do. Just do a bit of that and just drop it in.
Okay, then it goes. And now we're going to secure it in place.
Lift this lot out of the way. Do it over onto the valves. Which valve is it?
That's this one.
It's going to be awkward now.
Why is it going to be awkward?
Spring.
So what goes in first then?
Don't put these in.
Yeah, what goes in first?
Small spring. Top.
Doing it again.
Big spring on top. And then the, what do we call this thing? What's your
Retainer or something.
retainer? That's it, yeah. These collets are swine.
So there's the collets. Right, okay. And are they narrow on one end?
Yeah,
Which end are they narrow on? Let's have a look.
narrow end.
Okay, very good.
Right, I'll put some grease down there. It should all be all the collets together. Otherwise they bounce all over the bloody place. Alright. Hopefully. Get them in. Swine. They're a bloody swine, these. Where's the screwdriver? That won't stay like that.
Of course it won't. Yeah.
bit of packing to go against the valve. So that's going underneath the valve. With this on there like that, you see. So what goes on there?
You'll wind that quite a lot by the looks of it.
Sorry?
You'll wind that quite a lot, haven't you?
Put that up there. Somehow. Right. And just keep turning and turning and turning and turning and turning. Until the valve comes through the top.
Okay.
As I thought, the calyx are all over the place. So, get a screwdriver. That's how bleeding grease I put in it.
Why'd you put grease in it?
Well, you're supposed to. You reckon you put grease in it, stop and bloody moving.
We didn't put grease in it every day.
Stop it moving, did it?
Oh yeah. That might get caught as it comes back round there.
That was too high. That's it. You know that?
We got it in without taking the grease off. Just a bit fiddly.
Just in case this flies off.
It's not going to fly off.
You never know.
There you go, and that's how you reinsert a valve and resecure it.
I shall test it first. Who's the hammer, Scott? Have you got a hammer anywhere?
Not on me.
Funny.
There's one.
That's my hammer. We can give it a crack, see if it falls off. Won't it falling off, do we?
No.
Nope, she's fine.
Good stuff. And that, ladies and gents, is how you struggle lapping a valve and reinserting a valve. Not too bad really for a couple of amateurs. Well, he's done it really. Well done, Dad. On to the next stage. Found it useful, please drop a like, click on subscribe, yada yada yada. Buy me a coffee. See you in the next video.